Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn numbers. Kids class name red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first stage of 1. The numbers of 1, O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-W 3. Kids night of 4. The numbers of 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids night of 6. The numbers of 6. And here's yellow color, S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E and 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. It's again use yellow color and draw 9. The numbers of 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E and 10. Kids Nidra 11. The numbers of 11. And here's blue color, 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. It's night of 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night of 16. The numbers of 16. And here's black color, 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. And 19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use black color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.